Want to maximize profits and scale your Amazon business like a pro? The right tools can make the difference between struggling with orders and dominating the marketplace. Here are 30 game-changing machines that every Amazon entrepreneur must have to increase efficiency and boost earnings. 1. Thermal label printer. A thermal label printer eliminates the need for ink, making it cost-effective for high-volume sellers. It prints clear, durable labels perfect for shipping and inventory management. Whether you're using Amazon FBA or dropshipping, this device speeds up your labeling process significantly. 2. Barcode scanner. A barcode scanner streamlines inventory management, allowing sellers to quickly scan and track products. It reduces human errors and ensures accurate stock levels. If you're handling large shipments, this tool will save you hours of manual data entry. 3. Automated packaging machine. This machine automates the process of sealing and packaging products, speeding up order fulfillment. It's a must-have for high-volume sellers who need efficiency in their operations. Faster packaging means more orders fulfilled in less time, increasing your revenue. 4. 3D printer. A 3D printer helps Amazon entrepreneurs create unique, customized, or prototype products. Private label sellers can design their own parts, accessories, or niche products. With this machine, you can set your brand apart and offer exclusive, high-margin items. 5. Industrial heat press machine. For sellers in the custom merchandise industry, a heat press machine is essential for designing apparel, mugs, and accessories. It ensures high-quality prints that last longer and look professional. This is a perfect investment for those selling customized, high-profit items. 6. Product photography lightbox. A lightbox enhances product photos by providing perfect lighting and eliminating shadows. High-quality images boost conversions and make listings stand out. Professional-looking product photos can increase sales and build brand trust. 7. Inventory management software. This software tracks stock levels automatically, preventing overstocking or running out of products. It integrates seamlessly with Amazon to keep your business running smoothly. No more manual inventory tracking, just automated, hassle-free management. 8. High-speed shipping scale. A digital shipping scale ensures accurate weight measurements, helping you avoid extra shipping costs. It speeds up the packing process and ensures compliance with carrier requirements. Every Amazon seller needs this to keep shipping efficient and cost-effective. 9. Automatic bag sealer. An automatic bag sealer secures products in protective packaging quickly and efficiently. It's essential for sellers in beauty, food, and small accessories industries. This machine gives products a professional and tamper-proof finish. 10. Laser engraving machine. A laser engraver allows sellers to create personalized products like jewelry, phone cases, and gifts. Customized items command higher prices and attract more buyers. With this tool, you can offer unique, premium quality products that stand out. 11. Dymo Label Writer. The Dymo Label Writer prints crisp, professional barcodes and shipping labels. It saves time by eliminating the need for manual label cutting and sticking. If you sell on Amazon, this machine is a must-have for efficient order processing. 12. Amazon FBA Prep Table. A prep table keeps your workspace organized while preparing shipments for Amazon FBA. It allows for faster labeling, sorting, and packaging. This is a must-have for businesses handling bulk inventory. 13. Electric pallet jack. For sellers dealing with heavy stock, an electric pallet jack makes moving shipments effortless. It saves energy and prevents workplace injuries from lifting heavy loads. This is a game changer for warehouse-based Amazon businesses. 14. Shrink wrap machine. A shrink wrap machine provides a professional touch by sealing products in protective plastic. It's great for books, electronics, and fragile items that need added security. Professionally wrapped products build trust with customers and protect goods during transit. 15. Receipt scanner. A receipt scanner helps sellers track expenses, invoices, and tax records digitally. It eliminates paper clutter and makes bookkeeping easier. Staying organized ensures financial accuracy and compliance with tax regulations. 16. Wireless barcode label printer. A wireless barcode printer prints inventory labels on demand from any device. It saves time by streamlining inventory management. Amazon sellers can use this to keep their product tracking accurate and efficient. 17. Sublimation printer. A sublimation printer allows sellers to print high-quality designs on mugs, apparel, and accessories. This is perfect for entrepreneurs in the custom merchandise business. High-margin, personalized products make this a profitable investment. 18. Automated poly bagging system. An automated poly bagging system seals products in protective plastic bags quickly. It's ideal for sellers handling clothing, beauty products, or small electronics. This speeds up packaging and ensures compliance with Amazon's packaging requirements. 19. Amazon Echo Show. The Echo Show acts as a hands-free business assistant for tracking orders and inventory. It integrates with Amazon's ecosystem to provide real-time updates. Stay on top of your business with voice-activated convenience. 20. UV flatbed printer. A UV flatbed printer prints high-quality images directly onto wood, metal, and other surfaces. It's perfect for businesses offering custom engraving and branding. This machine allows sellers to create premium, one-of-a-kind items. 21. Smart shelving system. Smart shelves use sensors to track inventory levels in real time. This prevents stockouts and ensures smooth order fulfillment. No more manual inventory counting, just automated precision. 22. Handheld vacuum sealer. A vacuum sealer preserves perishable goods by removing excess air from packaging. It's crucial for food sellers who want to extend shelf life and maintain product quality. This tool keeps items fresh and reduces spoilage. 23. AI-powered customer support chatbot. An AI chatbot automates customer service by answering inquiries instantly. It improves response times and boosts customer satisfaction. This allows sellers to focus on scaling their business instead of handling repetitive questions. 24. Multi-channel listing software. This software syncs Amazon listings with eBay, Walmart, and Shopify. It's essential for sellers expanding beyond Amazon. More sales channels mean more profit opportunities. 25. Augmented reality product viewer. An AR viewer lets customers see how products look in real life before purchasing. This is a game changer for home decor, fashion, and furniture sellers. Higher engagement leads to increased conversions. 26. Mobile payment terminal. A mobile payment terminal enables instant transactions for sellers at events and trade shows. It syncs with Amazon to keep inventory updated. This is perfect for sellers who operate both online and offline. 27. AI-powered SEO tool. An AI SEO tool analyzes keywords and competitors to optimize Amazon listings. Better rankings mean more traffic and sales. Stay ahead of the competition with data-driven keyword strategies. 28. Subscription box automation tool. This tool automates subscription box packaging, billing, and shipping. It ensures customers receive products on time, every time. Subscription businesses thrive on consistency, and this tool makes it effortless. 29. Returns management software. Returns software handles refund requests and return processing automatically. It helps maintain a positive seller reputation. Easy returns keep customers happy and improve brand trust. 30. Thermal shipping envelope printer. This printer produces waterproof, smudge-proof shipping labels for fragile or high-value products. It ensures that labels stay clear and readable during transit. a must-have for serious Amazon sellers shipping delicate items. These 30 Amazon money-making machines can take your e-commerce business to the next level. Which one are you adding to your setup? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more game-changing business tips.